Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be talking about the blunt stall. This is a trick that I was never really too comfortable with, and recently found a little hack that made me unlock it and be able to do it every single try. But yeah, before we get into that, just got to give a quick channel update. Let me just think I might have to sit you guys down for this one. Okay, so recently went to the doctor, got an MRI. My knee was feeling a little weird, and I found out I tore my lateral meniscus. So I don't know if anyone's familiar with like meniscus tears. Usually they're not too bad, like 6 to 8 weeks. It's usually like the easiest of all the knee injuries to heal from. But the lateral meniscus is actually a little bit worse. It takes 4 to 5 months to recover.
This dark line is your lateral meniscus, and it's not where it's supposed to be.
So yeah, looks like I'm going to be hibernating for this winter. I'll probably make videos, throughout the winter. I'll figure that out when I get to it. But for now, I got like a month till my surgery. So I'm going to try to learn 50 new tricks in the next month. I mean, I'm going to try to learn as many as I can, but the goal is 50. So yeah, today I'm going to try to learn a blunt stall variation. But before we get into that, I'm just going to give you guys that tip on what helped me learn blunt stalls. All right, guys, so blunt fakie, one of the hardest tricks to learn on mini ramp. Just to unlock it is just frightening because you're flying in all this speed. It's very easy to shoot out. And in the beginning, I'm not gonna lie, when I first learned it, I took a lot of hippers, just like slipping out. And eventually, after you do that so many times, your body just doesn't want to hurt, and you build in like just a memory, right, to not lean that way. You just remember to lean into the ramp. But after that, I still never really got good at the trick. I don't have like the cleanest ollie sometimes, and when I pop off, I never really felt comfortable. Sometimes it would take a few tries to like warm up and get into it. Like I pop in, jump, kick it away, and then eventually I land it. But the other day, when I was actually filming a video, just trying to make a point, and I tried to blunt fakie like a little manual in, and that just unlocked everything for me. So in my old blunt fakie tutorial video, I actually gave this tip to do a manual in, but that's only because I saw other people do it. I never actually did it myself. So the second I tried it, it just made the trick so much easier. Just being able to come up, just do a little small ollie and kind of stay really controlled. Just get that wheel in and then manual it in. It made me be able to do it every single try. Now, if you're still learning this trick, it's going to be pretty scary. It's not just going to like make the trick like completely easy for you to do it. So I'd recommend learning like pivot fakies, doing a bunch of those in a row, so you get the feeling of like learning how to manual and hold these front wheels in, so you don't hang up on the coping. But yeah, ever since I started manualing in from the blunt fakie, I was able to do it every single try, and then I just felt more comfortable to try tricks into blunt because it wouldn't take me as many tries to get out. Like I knew if I could lock into the flips, like a kick flip into a blunt, I knew I'd be able to land it that try basically. Like I had the confidence. So that brings us to today, where I'm gonna try a nollie vario flip to blunt fakie. Yeah, I feel like I just need like one good solid lock in and I'll land it. So let's see if we can start this off and get our first trick for the month. I feel like it's there. Just gotta get over that initial fear of just getting into the blunt. Let's get ready to just get pitched to the flat. All right, well, that's a new one. Definitely wasn't trying that one, but I'll take it. All right, feeling pretty comfortable with this one now. It's like 3 basically lock-ins in a row. That one right there was the like 5-0. Probably could have took it to Fakie. Might have to do that in another video. All right, just cracked my board. Should still be good for a blunt stall, but yeah, hopefully I don't land in the disaster again, or board stall. So normally with a blunt stall, it's not that's like scary, but the fear of like slipping out when you get into it. When you're doing it regular, as long as you press on your tail like as hard as you can, you're basically like assuring that you're gonna be locked in. All right, the slipping out comes from when you're like unsure, not completely putting your weight down and then it slips off. But when you're doing a trick into the blunt, there's so many more variables. So you got like your weight coming down onto it, the board spinning and stuff. So if you miss by just a little bit, it's very easy to slip out. All right, a little sketchy, but I'll take it. See how much that doing the blunt as a manual helped me? It's like, I don't know, 50 tries in a row. So the one that I finally got into, like if I wasn't able to land it, this would take me forever, or maybe even just never do it. Okay, so that wasn't the cleanest one in the world, so I'm gonna try to clean it up now. Yes, 2 in a row. All right, that one was a little awkward too, but I'm gonna take 2 in a row. All right, that's it for this video. Let's leave a comment down below of what trick you'd like to see me learn next. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.